Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we take a look at the word nah and learn some popular phrases. By the way, if you want to know more about a specific word or phrase in Austrian German, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this video is to get to know some phrases with the word nah in Austrian German. In general, nah means no in English. It is mainly used in spoken form. In written form, we use the standard word Nein in Austrian German. Nein is also used in formal situations. But in spoken form and informal situations, Austrians often use the word nah. Now let's take a look at some phrases with the word nah. In the last video, we've already talked about the phrase najor. Najor. The one-to-one translation would mean no, yes, but this wouldn't make any sense. Najor is used if something is not good and not bad, but somewhere in between. Najor. A common phrase is na danke. Na danke. This means no thanks. Na danke. Na geh. Na geh. This phrase is used to show disappointment if you're not happy with the situation. Na geh. Na gut. Na gut. Na gut is said if you accept something you actually don't like. So if you go there just because your friends go there. Na gut. Na oder. Na oder. Na oder is a common phrase among young people. Oder doesn't have too much meaning, but it stresses the word na. Na oder. Na eh. Na eh is used to agree with someone, but the e doesn't have a special meaning. But in the next video, we're gonna talk about the strange word e. So thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.